Reduce 40 by 100 to its lowest form. When numerator and denominator of a fraction are divided by the same number, the value of the fraction remains the same. We are going to use this principle to reduce the fraction to its lowest form. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 2, we get 20 by 50. Dividing both numerator and denominator by 2 again, we get 10 by 25. Both numerator and denominator are divisible by 5. Dividing by 5, we get
2 by 5.
2 and 5 are coprime, meaning that they don't have any common prime factors. So, this is the lowest form of the fraction. 40 by 100 reduced to the lowest form comes to 2 by 5.